As your resources finish their assignment, we're going to go over how to demobilize and close that incident to make sure it saves properly and update your spotlight and keep track of everything. So go ahead and go into the fire or incident and select the resource that is demobilizing. And right at the top, you can either extend or here you see demobilize. We'll click that, verify. And then as you can see here, this resource is now demobilized. If I had more resources that weren't done yet, I would not close out the incident. But since this is our only one, we can then hit close incident. It's going to run you through a little verification on all your resources saying, hey, you don't have any receipts. We're missing an OF286 or other documents. They aren't required. It's just for your kind of checking before it goes into a saved file. Once they're done, you can hit close. As you can see, that is no longer listed here in the active. If you need to go back to reference it at any time, just switch to your completed tab here. And as you can see, everything's right there. I can still go in, grab those other documents. If I got paid here, I can update those payments, see the shift tickets if we had done any, as well as the activity. One other thing, you can verify your earned rate. So if you had daily rates set for your resources, equipment, and team, you can go in and verify that those are there. These will be gross numbers. Obviously, you're not including taxes and things like that. Just a good little days and dollars. But you can also leave your team a review. Once the incident and team is demobilized, you can go ahead and hit review and it will pull up that wild and firefighter. And then just go ahead and give them an overall performance, how they did on individual things, and any field observations. We will give the ability to attach eval forms to this here in the near future. But for right now, you can hit submit review and that will show up on their profile. You can do this for every incident to build a nice kind of review work history for all of your employees. Or maybe someone else is coming from a different company. You can see kind of their previous work history and how they've performed. And again, eventually be able to read over those evals.